The ISA-1 Digital, the classic Focusrite mic pre and simultaneous DI. Now with class-leading stereo ADC as standard.
We're here at Messe with James Young from SE Microphones. Now, he's got a new model here which is quite interesting because a lot of engineers will use a capacitor mic and a ribbon mic and then mix the outputs from them to get exactly the result they want. So, logically enough, they decided to combine them both in one microphone. So, tell us about this, James. You've been working on this for a while.
We have, yeah. We've been meaning to bring this to market for some time, and it originally started up looking a little different to this, but this is the final version. The ribbon element of the capsule sits in here, and then we've got a very small 17mm capsule which sits in the top here. Now, the reason that we did this is because most people have problems with using ribbon mics and then combining them with a condenser. You get a very good, very specific kind of sound because it picks out all the high-end detail. But you still get the warmth and the naturalness of the ribbon. But it's very difficult to do it unless you really know what you're doing, because you get all sorts of phase cancellation and frequency matching problems. So what we've done is put a piece of electronics in here which takes all of that problem away for the end user. This is point and shoot. There is a pre-mixed output for this, which mixes the output from the ribbon and the output from the condenser microphone capsule in there, and does all the frequency matching and the phase cancellation or phase correlation problems, I should say. You can also flip this little switch on the back here, and you then get a dual mono output so that you can use it just as a ribbon microphone or just as a 17mm condenser capsule microphone as well.
Well, if you're really adventurous, you can try and recombine them via your own processing.
You can do that as well, yes, exactly. So we do leave it open to the user if they want to, but there is a pre-mixed SE sound on here, so it takes away all of the agony of trying to do that if you don't know what you're doing.
So it looks quite impressive. When is it going to be available, and is it going to be expensive?
It's not going to be that expensive. We haven't set the full retail price yet, but it'll certainly be somewhere between £500 and £800, including VAT. That really depends on the final production costs. We're about 3 to 4 months away from releasing it, but we're showing people at Frankfurt because this is now something that we're confident we'll have to market by the summer.
Thanks very much.
No problem.